Hello students, once again welcome to my channel Learn English and Win the World. बच्चों, मैंने पिछली क्लास में आप लोगों को प्रेफिक्सेस के यूज के बारे में बताया था। इन प्रेफिक्सेस यानी कि जिनको कि हम उपसर्ग कहते हैं, ये प्रेफिक्सेस नेगेटिव प्रेफिक्सेस कहलाती हैं, जिससे कि किसी भी शब्द का ऑपोजिट वर्ड तैयार होता है। दीज प्रेफिक्सेस आर कॉल्ड नेगेटिव प्रेफिक्सेस. Now let us learn something more about these negative prefixes. How to make opposite words by adding these negative prefixes. Today we will learn about the im prefix, the ir prefix, and the ill prefix. And मैं आपको ये भी बताऊंगी कि किस तरीके से ऑपोजिट वर्ड जो हम कभी कभी अपने हिसाब से बना लेते हैं, एरर वहां पे भी होता है और वो ऑपोजिट वर्ड रॉन्ग होता है, जो कि हम गलत बनाते हैं. सो लेट अस स्टार्ट विद द इम प्रीफिक्स. When im is used with balance, it becomes imbalance. When im is used with mature, it becomes immature. When im is used with mobile, it becomes immobile. When im is used with mortal, it becomes immortal. When im is used with patient, it becomes impatient. When im is used with movable, it becomes immovable. When im is used with possible, it becomes impossible. When im is used with partial, it becomes impartial. When in next we come to the ir prefix. When ir is used with regular, it becomes irregular. When ir is used with responsible, it becomes irresponsible. When ir is used with rational, it becomes irrational. When ir is used with repairable, it becomes irreparable. When ir is used with reversible, it becomes irreversible. When ir is used with resistible, it becomes irresistible. So, students, you came to know about the im prefix and the ir prefix. Now let us see the ill prefix. When ill is used with logical, it becomes illogical. When ill is used with legal, it becomes illegal. When ill is used with literate, it becomes illiterate. When ill is used with legible, it becomes illegible. Excuse me. When ill is used with legitimate, it becomes illegitimate. In the exams, students are asked to find out the errors. The errors may be in framing the opposite words also. The opposite of tolerable is intolerable, but sometimes students make it intolerable, or it is given intolerable. This is wrong. The opposite of decent is indecent, but most of the times students write or it is given as an error as undecent. This is also wrong. Rational, students sometimes say unrational, but it is wrong, it is irrational. Loyal, sometimes people say it unloyal, this is wrong, this is disloyal. There are certain words, students, which take more than one prefix, but they do not mean the same. When un is used to able, it becomes an opposite word, that is unable. That means I'm able to do some work, I'm unable to do some work. But when able takes this prefix, it is not an opposite word. It is disabled, that means you are handicapped, you have some sort of disability. So this is disabled, or something doesn't work, so we say it is disabled. Now, cover takes these two prefixes. One is uncover, one is discover. Discover means there was something in the world, like Columbus discovered America, we say, so to find out something. But uncover means something was covered, you uncovered it. Okay. Similarly, like takes two prefixes, unlike and dislike. Unlike is a preposition, dislike is an opposite word. I like tea, I dislike tea. But Unlike is a preposition and it is not used as an opposite word. Instead, we say, unlike my brother, I love maths. That means my brother doesn't like maths, but I like maths. Again, secure also takes two prefixes, unsecure and insecure. Insecure means when we are not confident about something, we feel insecure. But unsecure means not safe. So friends, these are the different prefixes to make opposite words to create a new set of words, that is opposite words. So in course of my teaching, I have explained you how to make new set of words, how to frame new set of words. These are the different opposite words which we can make or which we can create by adding these negative prefixes to them. So I hope students, you all must have understood the usage of these prefixes in framing the opposite words. And now in our next video, we shall deal with a new part of speech, that is pronoun. Hope then. Have a nice day. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.